Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that creates machines capable of simulating human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and perception, to perform specific tasks. Rather than being explicitly programmed for every action, AI systems use data and algorithms to identify patterns, make predictions, and improve over time. Key components of AI. Machine learning, ML, a subset of AI where systems learn from data to improve performance without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a type of machine learning inspired by the human brain, neural networks, that analyzes large amounts of data for complex pattern recognition. Natural language processing, NLP, enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language used in tools like chatbots. Data and algorithms. AI relies on massive data sets to learn, using algorithms, rules, to process this information. How AI learns? AI learns through three primary methods. Supervised learning. Training with labeled data, e.g., teaching an AI to identify images labeled cat or dog. Unsupervised learning. Analyzing unlabeled data to find hidden patterns or groupings. Reinforcement learning. Learning through trial and error. Receiving feedback to maximize rewards, similar to training a pet. Types of AI, narrow, weak AI, designed for a specific task, e.g. ChatGPT, Siri, facial recognition. General, strong AI, theoretical AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks like common applications. AI is used for business operations, content creation, and entertainment, including AI photo filters on social media, email drafting, and personalized recommendations. AI in apparel industry. AI in the apparel industry optimizes the entire fashion value chain, from design to retail, by leveraging data to increase efficiency, sustainability, and personalization. Key applications include AI-driven trend forecasting, 3D design generation, supply chain optimization, automated inventory management, and enhancing customer experiences through virtual try-ons and personalized recommendations, ultimately reducing waste. Key areas of AI implementation: design and product development, generative AI. Algorithms analyze trends from social media and runway shows to suggest color palettes, patterns, and create 3D prototypes, reducing design time. Sustainable design. AI aids in creating zero-waste patterns and optimizing fabric usage, which can reduce material waste by up to 46%. Manufacturing and supply chain. Demand forecasting. Machine learning predicts future trends and consumer demand, allowing for optimized production and reduced unsold inventory. Quality control. AI-powered visual inspection systems detect flaws in fabrics and garment stitching more accurately and quickly than human inspection. Logistics. AI optimizes warehouse efficiency and shipping routes, improving speed and reducing transportation costs.